Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Apply glue in the hole and insert wood dowel M8 into board 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and 11.
Then, apply glue on wood dowel M6 and insert into board 17, 18, and 20.
Secondly, install metal runner onto board 1 and 3. Screw the screw M4 into the 2nd, 6th, and 12th hole of the metal runner.
Next, use screwdriver to screw Eurobolt into board 1, 2, both side of board 3, and board 13. Then, install leg on board for using screw M3.5. Afterward, install hinges 1 per 4 inch on board 15 using screw M3.5. Then, install hinges 5 per 8 inch on board 14 and 16 using screw M3.5. Next, apply glue on the wood dowel M6 on boards 17, 18, and 20, and then attach them to board 13 using housing D12/9.5 mm. Insert board 21 into drawer's body to make it the backboard of the drawer. Then, attach board 19 to drawer's body using screw number 9. Next, install metal runner onto the back of the drawer. Screw the screw M4 into the 3rd, 6th, 9th hole of metal runner. Afterwards, apply glue on the wood dowel M8 of board 5, 8, and 9, and then attach them to board 1 using housing D15/12.5 mm. Then, apply glue on the wood dowel of board 5, 8, and 9, and attach board 3 to board 5, 8, and 9 using housing D15/12.5 mm. Apply glue on the wood dowel of board 6, 10, and 11, then attach them to board 3 using housing D15/12.5 mm. Apply glue on the wood dowel of board 6, 10, and 11, then attach them to board 3 using housing D15/12.5 mm. Gently paste the sticker to cover up the screw hole. Insert board 7 to the back of cabinet's body. Then, apply glue on the wood dowel of board 2, 3, and 1. Attach board 4 to the cabinet's body using screw number 9. Install adjustable shelf stud into the holes on board 1 and 3. Follow your height preference. Then, insert board 12 to the cabinet's body. Insert drawer to the cabinet's body. Then, attach board 16, 15, and 14 to cabinet's body using screw M3.5. Use the screw in the middle of the hinges to make lateral adjustment. Use the slot in the mounting plate to make vertical adjustment. Slack the hinge's arm mounting screw to adjust front and back. Install corner block on board 7 using screw M3. Congratulations! You have assembled your gas cabinet.